Hello there. Luxury is my language. Say it again. Luxury is my language. Wealth is not, it's something I embody in. It's who I am. It's how I walk, how I think, how I treat myself. Money mindset, that's my wealth. That's my power. I am not here for lack. I am not here to struggle. I am not here to shrink just to make other people comfortable. I've done enough of that. This version of me, done playing small. Every time I choose to believe in my worth, I shift my reality. Every time I say, I am worthy of more, I open the door wider. And I don't need permission to live a life that feels rich in every way. I give myself that permission. Now today, always, pause, reflective tone. Money is not evil. Wanting more is not greedy. You know your heart. You know what will do with overflow. You will bless your children if you have some. You will feel free. You will rest deeply. You will create beauty without the stress of survival. Money in my hands is safe. Wealth in my life is holy. I let go of those old stories that told me I had to struggle to be good, or that I had to work myself into the ground to be worthy. No more. My abundance flows when I'm aligned, not when I'm exhausted. I speak the language of luxury, and I don't mean just labels and price tags. I mean quantity, peace, softness, freedom, and overflow. I mean choosing the best for myself without guilt. I mean believing I deserve the good things, the nice things, the quiet mornings, the well-played work, the soft clothes, the beautiful home, the financial freedom, and the freedom to breathe. Luxury is honoring my standards. It's knowing I don't have to settle in love, in an income, or in a lifestyle. I am no longer apologizing for wanting more. Shift into a visual. I see it now. My dream home, my account full of ease, my days flowing with purpose and present. I see opportunities that match my energy. I attract wealth not by forcing, by being grounded, being open, being bold enough to say, I am ready to receive. I don't beg, I magnetize. I don't hustle and panic. I align with purpose. I make room in my life for wealth because I know what's coming requires space. And I'm creating that space every day with my mindset, my habits, and my vision. Money flows to me when I'm in tune with my value. And baby, I am vulnerable. I am the blessing. I am the answers to someone's prayer. I deserve to be paid well. I deserve rest without guilt. I deserve to live beautifully and abundantly, not someday, but now. Final affirming. Luxury is my language. I speak it fluently now. I surrender myself with what reflects my worth and my space, my energy, and my thoughts. Wealth is not just what I have, it's who I'm becoming. and I am becoming everything I dreamed. Rich in peace, overflowing with joy, rooted in abundance, surrounded by beauty, covered in grace. This is my life now, and I receive it fully. Yes, if this resonated with you, put in the comments, luxury is my language. That's who I am now. See you in my next video.